Now we learn how to draw hypocycloid. The problem statement: draw a hypocycloid when rolling circle is a 60 millimeter and directing circle is a 160 millimeter in diameter. First, draw a vertical line which will indicate the radius of a directing circle. So draw the vertical line of a length 80 millimeter. On this line from top, locate a point at a 30 millimeter, which will be the center for rolling circle, and at bottom mark a point O, which will be the center for directing circle. Now take 30 millimeter distance in compass and draw a circle which will indicate rolling circle. While drawing the circle, draw it in single stroke. Now when rolling circle rolls along directing circle, when it completes one revolution along directing circle, then the angle subtended by rolling circle on directing circle is given by this formula, that is pi d is equal to r theta. Now we have to find out this angle, that is a theta, and theta will be 135 degree. So set an angle at 135 degree by taking O as a center. Now draw a very faint line which will indicate the angle 135 degree. Now we have to divide this angle in 12 equal parts, but we will follow another method which will be explained in next coming part. Draw horizontal center line passing through the center of a rolling circle. Now divide this rolling circle in 12 equal parts. So take radii of a rolling circle in compass. Take the 4 quadrant points of a rolling circle and mark or cut the circle at 2 opposite points. Label it 1, 2, now in your exercise here the angle subtended is given, that is when rolling circle rolls by one revolution, the distance covered by it on the directing circle will be equal to 188 millimeter. The angle subtended for directing circle of a radius, that capital R, is find out, and the angle is 135. Now take 80 millimeter distance and draw an arc. Now we have to divide this circle in 12 equal parts. So to take the distance 112 from rolling circle and cut this arc in 12 equal parts. The 11 and last will be the 12. Now finalize this. Draw a dark line passing through this point and center point. This will indicate the angle subtended. Next, we have to draw another arc, that is a center line arc. So take a distance OC in compass. Take O as a center and draw this arc, which will indicate the center line arc. Now draw subtended arc passing through the different points which are marked on rolling circle. Keep same center point, that is the center point O. Now here we are drawing arc. Consider this point. This will be the point 8. Point 9. This point will pass through the point number 3 also. So this arc again point 10 and 2 will be covered by this arc. Point 11 and 1 draw this arc. Last now again we have to divide this center line in 12 equal parts. So take the help of initial points which we have marked on a first arc. So by using this set square, just transfer these points from align this and transfer on the center line. Get the help of a previously marked points. Now here we have to take due care. Mark point C5 on center line, C4, C3, C2, C1, C12, C11, C10, C9, C8, C7 and finally will be the C6. Now we have to mark the point. Take radius of a rolling circle in compass, take C5 center and cut the arc which is passing through the point 5. Now C4, cut the arc passing through the point 4. Consider point 3, C3 point and cut the arc passing point 3. C2 center, cut the arc passing through, C1 center, cut the arc passing through point 1. Now here we have to draw the tangent, so we'll go to the next point, that is C11, cut the arc passing through point 11. Now this is a tangential point which we have drawn passing through by considering the center point C12. Now C10, cut the arc passing through point number 10. Next C8, cut the arc passing through the point 8. C7 and last will be our point 6. Now we have to label the points. Point 6 will be the topmost point. Then P5, P4, P3, P1, P12, P11, P10, P9, P8. Thus all points are marked. Now join on these points by using the French curve. Position the French curve, try to align 3 to 4 points at a time. Reverse the French curve. And complete this arc. Now in this arc, while we are drawing this hypocycloid, this curve should be only curve, rolling circle, and arc of a directing circle be only dark. Other lines should be the very faint. Label the curve. Draw it in capital letters in a drawing sense, having height of 4 to 5 millimeter. Give the dimension of a rolling circle. Radius 30. Give the dimension of a directing circle. R18.